What's the meaning of bread pudding? Bread pudding. Bread pudding.
Bread pudding. Bread pudding. Bread pudding is a dessert made by combining stale or leftover bread with a custard mixture of milk, eggs, sugar, and flavorings such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or vanilla. The bread is soaked in the mixture, then baked until the custard has set and the top is golden brown. The result is a warm, comforting dessert that has a texture similar to a moist cake or a soft bread pudding. Bread pudding can be served plain, with a sprinkling of powdered sugar, or topped with a sauce such as caramel or whiskey. It is a delicious way to use up leftover bread and create a satisfying dessert.